In case you don't know, there's a hurricane coming. It's sounding the in case you hadn't seen the news in the last 3 or 4 days, there's a hurricane coming. There's a guy out there in the water. Nice. This guy out there, people think I'm crazy. You can see that usually the water's only up to about your knees out there. You can see the surge is starting to come in. Make sure you subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up, share my videos if you can, all that good stuff. Drop a big old fat like on my video. And this is Johnny V reporting from Biloxi, Mississippi on the beach. Stay tuned for future updates. I'm riding this one out, guys. You can barely see Deer Island out there. Deer Island's almost covered up. Alright guys, Johnny V's out, Mississippi. Stay tuned, more updates coming.